Narangan yung ano ko, GoPro eh. The video. Ito may laundry. May laundry dito. Mapa-laundry ka. Doon pa sa unahan. Sakay na lang tayo mamaya pabalik na ganyan, no? Para ma-experience pa nila. Adil.
Oh, countryside tour. Oh, sige, porno rin. Sir. Pangalaw, sir.
Yes, sir. Oh, alam ko na, may inasal. Kaya tayo na mga inasal. Oh, dyan?
Diba?
Eh, manok doon, oh, manok. Wala lang ako sa... Yeah. Tawid sa kabila. Let's go. After this. Come here. Your mom don't know. Tagal, tumawid. Tawid na, mami. Yeah. Ano ba yan? Go! Tawid! Di ka na stop. Ano meron dito? Hmm? Saan tayo kakain? Ito, KFC? Dito tayo. Let's go here. Let's go. No, no. Let's check more here. Down. Yeah. Dito mo na. A shaky truck?
Shaky truck.
What?
Let's go there.
Let's go there. Wanna eat there? Gusto mong pizza?
Yeah.
Mga bata, yeah. Shake. Let's go here. Hello, ma'am. Pwede mo kaon dire, ma'am? Oh, shakies ne? Kanang pizza? Oh, you guys want pizza?
I want anything.
Anything? Okay. Pwede dito sa Dira o sa...
Nila, sir.
Oh.
Kitchen na.
Oh, kitchen. Okay,
Happy
pizza.
group bundle, sir.
Oo.
Kani 1,350 na siya 18 large nga pizza.
Aha.
3 pieces chicken, then mods and dip, and then 1.5. Then kani 1,850. Isa ka pizza nga large size, 5 pieces nga chicken, then basket of mods, and then 1.5. Then
Oo.
nasad may mga duo nga pizza, sir.
Do. Okay. Ito pang upat og 5 ka tao, no?
Yes, sir.
Sa 5 ka na. Dako na siya. Daghan eh.
Paano siya, sir? 8 slices,
8
12
slices.
inches.
Oh, kani pila ka slice? 7?
One dili, sir. 7 ang chicken ani, sir, pero ang slices ani is 12 kay party size man na siya.
Oh, party
14
size.
each. Yes, sir.
You guys can eat 12 pieces of pizza?
You can. No, yeah.
Ay, yeah?
Yeah.
Akan na lang. Kanin bundle 3 te.
Okay, unsay man
Oh.
imong pizza na, sir?
What kind of pizza you guys want? Unsa man unsa
Kani,
te?
sir,
Oh, okay. Kani siya Hawaiian, pepperoni.
What is this?
Pwede na kanang ano te kanang half-half.
Pwede.
Hawaiian ako ate. O kanang what do you guys want?
Just do all of it. No.
No, only 2 like half,
Okay,
right?
okay, okay.
Mura te. Half te. Pwede, oh. You guys want pepperoni or shake is special?
Both. What's in there?
Nana shake marinated beef, green bell pepper, white onion, pepperoni, and then mushroom.
You don't like onion, right? Oh, okay.
Okay, the pepper.
Itong manager's choice te, unsa man na?
Kuan, sir, na siya marinated beef, green bell pepper, white onion, and ham.
Oh, di po mo angay nag-onion good.
Let's do this.
Kanina lang pepperoni te ug Hawaiian te. Oh, half te.
Okay.
Ah.
And then, sa imong drink, sir, Coke Zero or regular lang?
Anong drink? What kind of drinks you guys want?
Water.
Water? Water? Oh, tapos
Coke.
You want Coke?
Naman siya yung Coke, sir. Chopan to 1.5.
Ay, naikauban na Coke ne. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so di na kailangan. Di na kailangan na, no?
Who else wants water then?
Or
Water, oh.
Wait, Mom.
Tulo ka water na lang tayo, o kanang naraman ikaw pa, no? Na soda.
So, additional ang water.
Oh, tulo ka to water additional.
water.
Oh, tulo ka to water. Mura to, te.
Sige, sir.
Ah, sige, salamat, te, ah. Salamat. Go, go.
Oh my God. Almost, and almost outside.
Go, go.
Outside. Huh? Oh yeah. Fitting. You're not fitting.
No, kadungin mo si, ano, kadungin mo si Kyrie. Yeah, pwede. Go. Kadungin mo si Kyrie.
Okay.
Ha?
Yo, we're not fitting.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Kasya ba na, sir?
Kasya pa kayo?
Okay. Let's go.
Ala.
Side door mo. Tapos na kayo?
Nakuha na, sir. Oo. Pwede dito sa ano, boss, katong dito bitaw sa paubos itong beach bitaw, itong nai.
Ano na medyo?
Oo, itong Alona Beach, George.
Oo, pwede yan.
Sige, sige, salamat kayo.
Oo.
Lako-lako mo dito sa ano ba?
Gasalik. What's the air condition that?
Oh my God, bro. Why did that just come out? McDonald's. Mom. Where? Ay, Dad. Di natin ito madala. Bawal.
Saan?
Ha?
Saan?
Doon.
Ihatid ko.
Di ba sinabihan tayo, bawal magdala ng ganito? Pagkain.
Saan?
Ha?
Saan? Saan?
Doon, saan lang?
Ah, okay na dire boss.
Lugar na.
Oh, salamat kayo.
Ano pa?
Pila ba boss? Ah, na dito.
Salamat! Salamat!
Oh, salamat kayo boss ha.
Okay.
Okay. How is it? How is it?
Yo, my seat open.
Oh.
Di ba sinabi tayo na parang
Just follow ate.
gabi walang tao, no?
Yo, kagabi.
Certificate.
Ngayon, dami.
Lalabas tayo sa may diamond.
Ayun, maganda mag-video.
Mhm. May naliligo pa? Meron pa oh.
In the beach area, it was the sand was so soft. No more. Like, near the beach. There's more.
There's a 7-Eleven. Earlier, baby. 7-Eleven. Yeah. There's a lot of people.
If you guys said it was in the beach, I would. How you with it?
Do the things gonna bite you. Pero gusto mo pasahin?
Naiyak ko?
The hermit.
Hermit crab?
That's enough. Sa'yo bawal din.
Hmm? Oh, to bed on my shoulder. Baby.
Dad, gusto mo na bumalik doon?
Yeah.
Stay right here.
Let's go.
Do you want to stay, Mom? No, if you guys want to
Let's go, guys.
We'll just try to clean it. This is a very difficult song.
Oh,
I love to eat the buffet.
yeah,
The buffet.
the buffet.
People still singing.
Nice here at night.
Yeah, so nice. We went here last night.
I want to poop.